Hi, this is Bill Bass. I'm a technology integration specialist. If you have ExamView test generator that came with your textbook, one of the things that you could do with that is you could create Senteo quizzes or tests that your students could then use through the Senteo system and answer those questions that way. If you're going to do that, what you need to do is first create your test in ExamView, and then you're going to export it as a rich text file. There's some other options that are in there. Some of them are Blackboard and WebCT, depending on the version of ExamView that you're using. But what you want is to go to File, Export, and select Rich Text File. When you do that, you're going to get a Word document that looks very similar to this. Okay, this is a test that I got from a teacher that was using ExamView. And you'll notice here that you have your question, and then in a table underneath the question you have the answers to that question, or the possible answers for a multiple choice question. That is fine. However, Senteo does not like and will not accept answers that are in a table. So what we need to do is get rid of this table to make it in a format that ExamView will in fact take. So first thing we need to do, just to get rid of that table, is we're going to click in the table, go up to Table, go down to Convert, and then select Table to Text. What that's going to do is pull up this dialog box, and the idea is we're just going to make this into text. So choose the bottom radio button beside Other, and make sure in this space that there's not another character there. You want to be sure that there's just a single space. What that's going to do is between the A period and reptiles, it's going to put a space there because that's a cell break. So when I click OK, you're going to notice it says A period space reptiles, B period space mammals, etc., etc. Now you can't do the entire document all at once, so you have to go to each one of these and convert the table to text. Okay, but this is significantly less time consuming than retyping your entire quiz. Or, there are other solutions, but I think that this might be your fastest way to go about this. So just click in the table, table, convert, table to text. Click Other, done. Okay. After you've done all of these, if you have 30 questions, you have to do this 30 times. After you've done all those, you're going to do File, Save As, and instead of the rich text format, change that to a Word document. Okay, ExamView test, that's fine. Go to Word document, I'm going to save that. Make sure, oops, didn't do it. The very end, all these, your answer key that's at the end, you want to delete that because Senteo is not going to accept an answer key. All right, so let me go back up, File, Save. Now, when I go to Smart Notebook and import questions from a Microsoft Word file, here's my ExamView test. Open. Because I have the original file open, it's going to ask me to open a read-only copy. That's fine. Okay. And now it's importing questions, and very soon you're going to see that my slides that are over here are going to be populated with those different questions. Okay, so there's my title slide, and here are all my question slides. So here's my first question, A, B, C, D. Now what you need to do is on each page you have to go in and set the answer. So whatever answer is the correct answer, select that answer, click OK, and then go to your next slide. Continue to do that for all of your slides and you'll be done. Save that file, you have a Senteo quiz. Okay, now let me show you. This is what happens if you don't do this. If you leave it in a table, questions are there, but your answers are not there because it looks at this and it sees a box rather than text. So that's how you can import an ExamView test into Senteo as quickly as possible.